In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear drive shaft coupler on this BMW X5. This is going to be located underneath the vehicle about midway. Let's get into it. Before we take this apart, I just want to mark with a crayon just on the flange right there and then on the drive shaft, just so we line that up. We'll go back together. Using a 18mm wrench, just slide underneath here, go in the nut, 18mm socket. Take this nut and bolt out. There's the nut. I'm just turning this and I'm taking the bolts out of the coupler first. Up there. I'm just going to use a pry bar and just pry it off the yoke. Just pull it back a little bit. I'll take the other bolts off, same 18mm wrench, 18mm socket. Now where the center support is, we're going to take the two nuts off, use a 13mm socket. Pull that off. I'll pull the drive shaft down. And we're just going to pull it out. Just use a pry bar and pry it back. Go up with the drive shaft, then the coupler comes out. Take the new coupler, slide it over, get the drive shaft lined up. And push it back in place. I'm just gonna use a rubber mallet, just tap it in place. Good right there. And get the center support lined up again. Take the two nuts, get those started. Now push this back in place. Tighten these down. Good. Now get the bolts started and the nuts. And I'll turn this. Make sure your marks line up. Drive shaft with the yoke. Now I got all the nuts and bolts in. Now we're going to tighten these down. Just go around and snug these all down. All right, those are all tight. Now I'm going to go around again and torque these to 65 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.